Let's go ahead and review Komodo Decks. It lets you set up interactive screencasting to make product demos, walkthroughs, and more. Creating product demo can feel like showing your grandma how to use computer, except your grandma. The thing is, you know exactly what you need to make, but you don't have the tech skill to overcome such a steep learning curve. If only there was a simple screencasting tool that could help you record from any browser and capture live feedback from viewers. Komodo Decks is user-friendly screencasting solution that lets you create and share HD video demos, workflow, and more. Komodo Decks lets you screencast HD videos in a snap. Just share your screen, connect your camera, and record for as long as you want. You can also use the Chrome extension to start recording directly from your browser with a click of button. And thanks to transcript-based video editor, you will be able to delete mistakes and dub over recording on the fly. Not only can you screencast to viewers, but you can also record every single click along the video timeline. Komodo Decks will always save this recording as a screenshot in the sidebar, so you can analyze user activity anytime. Whether you need to create product demos, conduct user testing, develop training videos, this tool has you have covered. Once you are done recording, you can skip all the encoding and exporting to simply send it along as a shareable link. This tool lets you embed your videos anywhere, including your everybody tools like Slack, Gmail, Jira, and Notion. You can embed videos with GIF summaries and that highlight each step so viewer can find what they need first. Plus, Komodo Decks will automatically send you email notification whenever viewers leave comments on the video. With Komodo Decks, you will get detailed video analytics every day that you can forward to important stakeholders. You will be able to see when and where your video was watched, check the view count, and get notified when viewers leave comments. And if you need anything, you can reach out to Komodo Decks engineering team for future requests and support. You could be churning out more videos if it weren't for that modeling video editing software. Good thing Komodo Decks makes it easy to screenshot from any browser and whip up HD video with zero technical know how to make video that work for you. Get lifetime access to Komodo Decks today. Link in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video.